Hello, welcome to Festac Digital's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a mobile app for your website. Yeah, it means that you already have a website, especially a WordPress website, and you want to create an app. Yes, I'll be showing you how to create an app without coding. You don't have to have a coding knowledge to create this app. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will know when we release our next video. So without wasting much time, we go straight to today's business. So the website we are going to be using is appexperts.io. As you can see, appexpert.io. So it will take you here. You just click on create account, because I believe that you are here because you don't have an account yet. So just click on create account. Okay, so fill in your details. So business as Festac Digitals. I'm just going to use a password suggested by the Google. I agree. Then submit. So country code is Nigeria. So submit. So just fill as appropriate with your details and click on submit. Okay, so you'll be asked to verify your mail. So just let me log into my email. Okay, so this is the email. We got from App Expert. Just click on verify email. Okay, so our account has been successfully verified. So let's just go to the dashboard. So though it's indicating that you should update App Expert login on your website, we'll do that later. So go to dashboard. So here at the dashboard, this plus sign, you can either click here or come to this plus sign here. You see it is indicating create new application. So click on create new application, this plus icon here. See how it works. So app name. So while you are filling all this, whatever it is that you don't understand, you can over at the exclamatory mark after each name. It will tell you, it give you the information about that particular thing. So it's saying app name. This name will be shown in Google Play Store and App Store. So what should our app name be? Okay, we are going to be using this. This is a blog. So we are not going to be using this website, the wet rail. So that is what we are going to be working with. So we're going to be working with this website, the wet rail. It's a blog. So I'm going to type the wet rail. So package name. This is the application ID for Google Play and App Store. It must be unique. So make sure you find a name, a pattern or name that is not used before. So if you don't get it, you can just click on generate. So it will automatically give you something like this. So the wet rail com.wetrail dot app expert. So you can use something like that. So I just use com.thewetrail dot facebook. Okay, so the description. So what's the description? It's a blog. So just going to type financial literacy, rich literacy website. So you come to app category. So is it basic blog or informative? If it's a static website where you just put information, you can choose informative. But if an e-commerce website where you sell, you have your shop, or if a social app, but this is a for a pro version. So we're just going to click the already selected one, basic blog. So if you want your demo, if you click on this, the app expert will generate all the demo that you need for your app. So but we are going to create our own by ourselves. So your WordPress website URL here, your WordPress, this is our website URL. So I'm just going to copy and paste here, paste here. So before we get our license key, you go back to the admin dashboard of our blog. So this is the dashboard of our blog. We are going to click on plugin, then click on add new. So let's search for app experts. So this is app experts. Click on install now, then click on activate. So now you see how you can find your license, you can find license key here. Click here. So this is our license key. Click on copy. It's already copied. Then let's go back to app expert. Here, paste your license key here. Then click on connect website. You can see well done. All the configuration are perfectly done. Well done, license key is valid. So we are done with connecting. Then click on save and continue. Okay, so the second stage is the app setting. So in case you want if your website is a membership website stuff and you want people to log in before they can access your content, you can enable login here. You enable registration. So but we won't need that since it's a blog. We want people to freely have access to it. And available languages, default language, make sure is in English. Since my website is in English, so I'll leave it at English. So app splash. Now app splash is what is the icon that will display on your app when people open your app before it actually load, before it finish loading. So if you hover, you see if no splash screen added, the app will use background color and plus app logo by default. So make sure it's either in PNG or GIF format. I just click on this pencil icon. I'm just going to select this. Okay, it's not really, it's supposed to be in 1024 by 2024 format, but we're just going to use it the way it is. So you choose your app icon too. Let me choose this as the app icon. So you can set the splash background. Let me leave the background at black. You can just work with the colors you have on your website. Let me leave it at black, and then the duration before the app loads, the splash duration before the app finally loads, you can, so 3 seconds is okay. So let's click on save and continue. Now let's look at the look and feel of your website. Can you see now it doesn't really look cool? So we can work with the color. Our main color is more purple. So and secondary color is close to lemon. Oh, okay. And secondary color is green. Then we have black. So if you want your app to show logo, just click on show logo here. So you scroll down and then you add menu items. You click here to add menu items. So our first menu, let's say home. Okay, so this is home. So just now we are going to upload icon here. Now to get icon for your app, just come to Google or from your this thing here, just search for Android Asset Studio. Android Asset Studio. The first one you are seeing here, Android Asset Studio, Roman Nurik.github. Click on it. So you can see different options, but what we need is action bar / tab icon generator. So click and then we can search for home. So different home icon. There are different home icon. You can just select this and then come here to download. Click on this download icon. It's already downloaded in zipped format. So let's download another one. Let's say category, something like this. Download. Then let's download. So grid, download. So you can see they are in zip format. Let me go to my download now. My download folder. You can use win.ra to unzip them. I'm just going to extract into download. So close. So I'll just do the same for all of them so as not to waste your time. So when you extract, this is what you get. You open. Then there are different formats. So we are going to use the first one, which is this. So let me just move it to the home page, and I'll do the same for others. Okay, so this is so what I did was to extract those icons we downloaded. So I'm just going to select home icon now from my desktop. This is home icon. Open. Okay, then the type will be a web page. Then click on save. So we're going to come back here and add another one, so which is let's say a category. So select an icon, category. So these are icon. So type is category, and I want it to be the layout should be list. So select list. Then you come back to add another one. Let's add blog. Then let me select another one. I'll select grid view. Click on post. So grid view, I want it to be grid view. So you click on save. Then let's add another one, which is a contact us, and just click on contact us. So when you click on this, it will give you some information which you can fill. So let us fill it as our website. Let's copy website link. paste here. So facebook.com. You have Google Plus, you insert your Google Plus, your Twitter handle, Instagram, your LinkedIn handle, you put it there. So your location is already automatically uh, inserted. So click on save. Now we have four menu here. So click on save and continue. Now we are at the last, which is integration. This is integration. If you want to publish for iPhone, so an iOS app to App Store, you are going to have all these details: Apple ID, key ID, team ID, sure. So, but what I want to do is just to build an Android app. So all this Google AdMob is for monetization of your app and all, but it's under a pro subscription. So and we are using a free. If you also want a push notification settings, all of the other things are under pro subscription. So I'm just going to follow this free or basic one. So just come here and click on build app. So you see how our app is appearing there. So you have successfully customized your app. It's time to build it in version 1. So we have two options: either build iOS or build Android. So we click on build Android. Do you want to build ABB or build APK or both? Now APK is just the app that we can install on our Android, but if you want to publish to a Play Store, you can click on build APP. So it says choose this if you want to submit the app to Google Play Store, but if you just want to install on your Android mobile, you click on this. So we're clicking on this, then click on build. So the Android is building. So you can just, these are just a questionnaire. Yes. Is it easy to build? Yes. Do you find the app expert helpful? Yes. Do you have feedback? No. So click on submit. So now build is in progress. So there we have it. Our app is successfully built. Your Android build for app is completed successfully. So you just click here and download the Android app. You can see it has started downloading, just 36 MB. And when it's finished downloading, you can just send to your Android and install. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, so that we can raise the algorithm so that others can see the video too, and click on the notification bell so that you can also get to see other videos that will be uploading soon. See you next time. Thank you.